Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a special guest with me. This is SJ. You may remember her from the Spicy Noodle Challenge where I beat her.
Oh, let's not talk about that.
I know, but you know, every time I can I have to say how I beat people at Spicy Noodle Challenge. Any case, today SJ is going to be teaching us how to apply eyeliner. And what line are we doing?
We're doing a cat eye, which Trish likes to call a cat liner. So.
And I call it that because I have a cat liner, which is supposed to teach me how to do it myself. So
Yeah, but I don't think that would work. So I have the Sephora eyeliner. It is a really cheap but good eyeliner. I like it because it's only like $12 and it's really dark black. And it comes with it's on a point, it's liquid. And how I usually would start off my eyeliner is I start off at the end and draw out and then come in, and it's kind of like drawing class where you trace it and then you color it in. So I'm going to start. Yes.
if you poke me in the eye, you're not too old for me to hit you upside your head. Just saying.
I will try
Child
my
abuse
best.
is not good, but she's an
Child abuse
adult.
is not good. Neither is adult abuse, apparently. Okay. I'm going to start on the outside. And then we're going to trace. It's going to become a triangle, technically. And then you're going to color in the hole that you've made through the lines that you've drawn. I'd also like to point out it's a lot more difficult doing eyeliner on somebody else than on yourself. I'm just realizing I really have your head in like a prayer grip right here. Do you see this? Wow, it's a prayer grip.
I need blessing anyway.
Okay, you can just open your eye for me just so that I can smooth out the line. Just because it will be a little bit bumpy. And just go over it, smooth it out, extend it if you feel the need. There we go. We have one and done. We can make it thicker if we'd like. You can make it skinny. It just depends on how you like the look of it. But my number one tip is that when you're doing it, don't put it out so far that your eyeliner touches your eyebrow, because then you just got like a long eyebrow going on. So we're just going to go on to this side and try to balance it out. I think this is the hardest part, is making sure that both of them are balanced, because you can get one if you start drawing your eyeliner upwards and then you can go to the side and do it sideways, and it makes you kind of look like you got a lazy eye if you do it two different ways. So you have to kind of try to make it consistent on both sides. So we're going to try this one. So for this one, I just drew the outline for it, so you can kind of just see the shape that I'm going for, and making like a triangle. And then you have this empty space right here that you can just kind of color in like you would back in the day in school. So now you're just going to fill in that empty space instead of leaving it open. And now I'm just going to have to balance them out a little bit, just because I went a little bit thicker closer into the eye on that one. So I have to make this one the same, because you don't want to have two different looking eyeliners. You want them, it's hard to make them, you can't really make your eyeliner twins, but you want to make them at least look like sisters. Just open for a second just so you can see if they're matching.
How do they look?
Looking pretty good. I think sometimes you just have to color in a little bit closer to the lash line because it's a little bit tougher. Like you don't want it to look, you don't want to see skin poking through by your eyelashes. So sometimes you just have to color it in a little bit closer. And I think they're matching. I think they look pretty good if I do say so myself. There you go.
Well, thank you.
No problem. That was quick.
That was
Fast.
quick and easy. So now you guys know how to do it. If there's anything else you'd like to learn how to do, Summer is excellent with applying makeup.
A little bit, just a little something.
Write down what you'd like to see and maybe I can convince her to come back. And I called you by your name.
It's okay. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!